Today I'm going to show you how to get from unruly to ruly hair and what's in this box of the Shark SilkiPro Straight wet to dry and dry straightener. You will have a rapid blow dryer, you'll have 3 interchangeable combs, and no heat damage for all hair types. This is the plum satin. It also comes in a rose petal. All hair types can benefit from this straightener. Look at all that's included. It gives you great instructions on how to do each wet to dry and dry styles. It has 3 distinct combs that you get and a bag to keep them in here, a little silky bag, and you will easily be able to retrieve them and keep up with them. The instructions are great with this tool. It comes with a very long cord. We have rapid dry technology and heat ceramic plates that are integrated with sensors to measure heat 1,000 times per second, auto-adjusting so you have no heat damage styling. You have airflow controls, temperature controls. You'll be able to go from unruly to ruly with this great tool.